in Colombia, and because wedding season is starting, I want to show you a beautiful spray rose that will be amazing for weddings, and it's called wedding blossoms. Look at this. Look at this. A tall, beautiful, strong varieties of spray roses breeded by United Selections. So yeah, that will be a rose, a spray rose that will be amazing to be used in weddings, right? Wedding bouquets, wedding arrangements. But if you're looking for a really neon color, then this rose will be your choice. Yay, let's go. Wait, this is scented. Yay, smell it. Madame Cherise. Orange anyone? Sure, I have orange also. Look. So many big orange heads. This is spectacular. This is Night Rain or Mizu. This is Mizu. Love language, sure. We also have Amor Blossom. This is big. Oh, so big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buttons. 8. And my favorite, Mocha Mousse. This is Rise and Shine. And this is Nova Vita. Beach Wave. Beach Wave.